so after properly garbing, you would come in and clean the hood from top, bar, side, and work area. You'd wipe everything down with alcohol before putting it in the hood and keep within 6 inches and make sure everything's 3 diameters apart and staggered. So from here, we're going to be reconstituting acyclovir with sodium chloride, 9%, or 0.9%, sorry. So we start by ripping open our alcohol swab. We would put this over here, pop this off, wipe this down 3 swipes away from the air, and be sure we do not cross over this so that it is exposed to first air. Then move all of our trash over here. And we'll do the same for the acyclovir. That's also exposed to first air. Now we open our needle, making sure not to block the first air, and holding the tabs back so that they don't block it. And you can do the same for your syringe. And twist that on. You would take one of your alcohol swabs, pop that off, put this over here, and now we are all set to reconstitute. Before you drop the fluid, you need to be sure you put air into the syringe and not block first air here or here. So I'll draw it up. I'm just going to do 3 mils. And for this, you want to be sure that you go by the top line on the plunger. So you do that, bevel up at a 45-degree angle, and you just dart method. Bring it up, be sure not to block here or here, and draw it up. Now you're gonna have air bubbles. It's okay. You can get rid of them momentarily. And you see it's at 3 mils. And you just flick it, or I like to use my thumb and get rid of them. And as you can see, majority of those air bubbles are gone. I still have a couple, but for the purposes of this, it's okay. You'll take this out, yet again, not blocking first air, making sure you're not going over any of the critical sites. You will take this in order to reconstitute, put it in 45-degree bevel up, and put the liquid in. All right, so now that that's in there, take this, cap it. You can set that aside. This, you're going to need to let it dissolve. As long as you don't cover this, you're okay. You can just shake it up. All right, now after putting in the desired air that you want to draw up, you would go in, draw 45-degree dart method, flip it up, right, so then you have your desired quantity. Get rid of your air bubbles. And you take your cap, put that on there, and for this syringe we are all set. So now you would just clean your area. When you dispose of your needle, you'd put it in a sharps container, and you would wipe down your work area and you'd be all set.